All right, I'm going to work this out. Day 43, string array rumble. All right, so it says I'm supposed to print the array with a for each loop, all elements on one line, and then I'm going to find the longest element and replace all the shorter elements with the longest element, and then print the array on a single line again. And then it says write a static method that prints the array on a single line, and then write the rest of the code in the main method. So a static method to print an array, a string array we're working with, would be public static void. It's just going to print. I'm going to call it print array, and it accepts as a parameter a string array. I'm going to call it R. All right, and we're going to do a for each loop for string W in R. System.out.print, not with the ln, and we're going to print W plus a space. So, and then after the for loop, we print a blank line. And we can test this code right here in the main method up above, print array words. How's that go? Perfect. There's our array. All right. Find the longest element. So to find the longest element, I'm doing that up here now. I'm going to make a string called longest. I'm going to make it equal to the first element in the array, because I should choose one of them, and then that way I know I'll get the longest. Now I'm going to do a for each loop, or enhanced for loop. String W in words. If W.length, notice I have parentheses after length, is greater than longest.length, then longest equals W. I found the longest one, and now I'm going to do a for loop to go through the whole array and replace all the shorter ones with the longest one. And that would be, you can't do that with an enhanced for loop. You have to do a regular one. So int I equals 0, I less than words.length. This one doesn't have the parentheses. And then here we do words sub I, if words I length is less than longest.length, then I want to replace words I with longest. Otherwise, do nothing. And now finally, I'm going to print array words. That's printing it after all the work is done. So I should get the same printout I had before, but then all butterflies, because butterfly is the longest word in the array. And that, good people, is one way to solve this problem. There we go. That's all the stuff that matters. Hope that helps.